Audio effects are tools used to improve or change the sound in your video. This can mean adjusting volume, reducing background noise, adding reverb, and more. Think of audio effects like spices in cooking. Each one adds something special to your audio. Now, why is it important? Well, good audio quality is crucial for making professional videos. Clear sound makes the viewer experience better and ensures your message is heard. Whether you're making vlogs, films, or any type of video, great audio can help you stand out and keep your audience engaged. So, when to do it? Well, you should work on your audio quality from the very start of your project, from recording to editing. Fixing audio issues early and using audio effects during editing can save you time and frustration later. Now, who can benefit in this? Well, anyone making videos can benefit from better audio. Whether you're new to making YouTube videos or a pro filmmaker, learning how to improve your audio will make your videos better overall. Now, let's dive into the fun part, demonstrating how to improve your audio using 5 essential effects in Premiere Pro. I'll walk you through each step with easy to follow examples so that you can apply these techniques to your own projects right away. So here are 5 effects on how can you massively improve your audio in Premiere Pro. Number 1, noise reduction. So open Adobe Premiere Pro and import your audio clip into the project. Locate the effects panel. If you don't see it, go to window at the top and click on effects right there. Then there you have it, effects panel. In the effects panel, type denoise in the search bar. Drag the denoise effect to your audio clip in the timeline. Adjust the settings in the effects control to reduce background noise while preserving the clarity of your audio. For example, let's say you have a dialogue-heavy video with background noise that's distracting viewers. By applying the noise or noise reduction effect, you can clean up the audio and make the dialogue clearer, improving overall viewer experience. Number 2, equalization or EQ. Again, open Adobe Premiere Pro, import your audio clip. In the effects panel, search for parametric equalizer. Drag parametric equalizer effect onto your audio clip on the timeline. Use the EQ controls in the effect control panel to adjust the frequency balance of your audio. For example, you can click on edit here. You can boost the bass or treble frequencies to enhance the overall sound. Click on your audio clip on the timeline. To select it, go to effects control panel, which is usually on the top left of the screen. Find the parametric equalizer effect listed under your audio clip's effects. Click on the edit button to open the EQ settings. In the parametric equalizer window, you'll see various controls and frequency graphs. To boost the bass, drag the low frequency, which is the left side, point upwards. To enhance the treble, drag the high frequency, right side, point upwards. Play your audio clip to hear the changes in real time and adjust the points until you're happy with the sound. Number 3, compression. Import your audio clip and locate the multiband compressor effect in the effects panel. In the search bar at the top of the effects panel, type multiband compressor. You should see the multiband compressor effect listed under audio effects. Click and drag the multiband compressor effect from the effects panel onto your audio clip in the timeline. Or you can select the audio clip in the timeline, then double-click the multiband compressor effect in the effects panel to apply it. Adjust the compressor settings in the effects controls panel to even out volume levels and enhance dynamics. Go to multiband compressor, click on edit. You will see several parameters that you can adjust. Threshold, ratio, attack, and release. The threshold determines the level at which the compressor starts to reduce the audio signal. Lower the threshold to make the compressor more sensitive to quieter sounds. The ratio controls how much compression is applied once the audio signal exceeds the threshold. A higher ratio means more compression. For example, a 4:1 ratio means that for every 4 decibel over the threshold, the output will only increase by 1 decibel. The attack controls how quickly the compressor responds to sounds that exceed the threshold. A shorter attack time means the compressor responds faster, which is good for controlling peaks. The release controls how quickly the compressor stops acting after the audio signal falls below the threshold. A longer release time can help maintain a smoother sound. Number 4, reverb. Again, import your audio clip and search for the reverb effect in the effects panel. Drag the reverb effect onto your clip to your timeline. Customize the reverb settings in the effects control panel to add depth and dimension to your audio. You can adjust parameters like room size, decay time to control the amount of reverb applied. The room size parameters control the simulated size of the space where the reverb occurs. Increase the room size to make the audio sound like it's in a larger space. The decay time controls how long the reverb effects last. Increase the decay time for a longer reverb tail, making the audio sound more echoey. Number 5, limiter. Finally, import your audio clip and find the hard limiter effect in the effects panel. So how do you find? So search for hard limiter. Apply the hard limiter effect to your audio clip. Adjust the limiter settings in the effects controls panel to prevent audio clipping and distortion. Set the threshold level to the maximum volume you want your audio and adjust the output gain to control the overall loudness. Click on your audio clip in the timeline to highlight it, and in the effects control panel, scroll down to find the hard limiter effect. Click on edit, then you will see several parameters that you can adjust. So you can choose presets to limit to -1 decibel, -3 decibels, or limit to -6 decibels. The threshold level sets the maximum volume for your audio. Any audio that exceed this level will be limited to prevent clipping and distortion. Adjust the threshold slider to the desired maximum volume level. For example, limit to -3 decibel is a common settings to ensure audio does not clip. The output gain controls the overall loudness of the audio after limiting. Right-click Audio Gain. Output gain controls the overall loudness of the audio after limiting. Increase or decrease the output gain to achieve the desired loudness without causing distortion. And that's your 5 effects how you can massively improve your audio in Premiere Pro.